Hi guys! So, welcome sa Creative Office natin. And kung makikita nyo, medyo makalat siya kasi may shoot po kanina. But, try natin siyang linisin, although hindi ako yung pinakamalinis na trumabaho dito. But while doing that, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung pursuing creative excellence na dito. Ang gift talaga sa ating mga creative is that out of mess, or sa isang kalat, is that we can do something beautiful out of that mess. You see something, parang potential, di ba? You see potential in things na, na is not really out there in the open. Kasi I believe talaga si Lord, ginawa niya tayo, even tayong mga creative na fully equipped, and we are wonderful. So, totoo lang, we are wonderful. But, siguro, well, alam naman natin nangyari sa Genesis, di ba? Alam mo ako, I'm a firm believer na nung ginawa tayo ni Lord is kompleto na tayo. That's why we see potential in people kasi there's already something in there na hindi lang out in the open. And when we become creative, when we become anointed, when gift, or something, may sumasabog sa atin na bine-break yun. Kung ano mang covering na yun, nabe-break siya at lumalabas yun. Kaya, huwag mo isipin na, you're nothing. Kasi, baka yung pangarap mo ngayon, what you need to get that dream is already there, pero it's still a potential kasi may nakaharang pa. I don't know kung ano man yan. Hindi ko lang kung alam niyo yung isang art na meron yung art piece na yung lalaki kumakawala siya sa stone. Meaning kasi doon, the art was just trapped in that stone. Ang hirap na iba-vlog, no? Tapos may mga tao. Hindi, mainit na eh. Tsaka, nape-pressure ako. Char. Ano ba yung pinapatunayan namin dito? Well, gusto namin patunayan na out of love, hindi dahil sa sweldo or what, na we can do great and mighty, creative things, kumbaga. Na kaya naming maging world class, international class na ang puhunan lang talaga ay pag-ibig. Pag-ibig sa ginagawa, passion for our craft, and syempre pag-ibig para kay Lord. Diba? Naalala ko yung isang philosopher, sabi niya, perfection is not achieved when you have nothing else to add. But perfection is achieved when you have nothing else to remove. Yun lang. Uwi na ako, guys.